Hello students, today's video is going to be very interesting and very important for you guys because today we will discuss about the reduced or the deleted portion of mathematics of class 10 for this session means 2020-21. So please take your NCERT book along with you to mark that deleted portion. We will discuss chapter wise. As you can see, these many topics has been deleted by CBSE for this session. So if I'm talking about unit 1 number system, first chapter is real numbers, and from this chapter this topic has been removed, Euclid division lemma. So this is the content of your NCERT book. So this is Euclid division lemma has been reduced or deleted. So which exercise you need to do? Let us see. So this exercise 1.1 exercise, this has been reduced. No need to do this exercise and no need to do the examples based on Euclid division lemma. So this has been reduced, but exercise 1.2 you have to do, and exercise 1.3 also. Exercise 1.3 also you have to do. So from chapter 1, exercise 1.4 also you have to do. So from chapter 1, only exercise 1.1 has been removed. Now we will move to chapter number 2, polynomials. From polynomials, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. So in chapter number 2, this exercise 2.1 you have to do this exercise, all these graph questions. Then exercise 2.2 also you have to do, but after this exercise 2.2, this division algorithm for polynomials, this has been removed. So based on these, exercise 2.3, no need to do of this exercise. This exercise has been deleted. Now move to chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. From this, the cross multiplication method has been removed. So this is chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. All these methods you have to do. Exercise 3.1 you have to do. This is very important table. Exercise 3.2 also you have to do. Then exercise 3.3 also, substitution method, elimination method, based on the elimination method. Exercise 3.4 also you have to do. This method, cross multiplication method, this has been reduced. So this method we will not do, and based on cross multiplication method, all questions has been deleted, has been removed. Means like question number 3 in exercise 3.5, like this question, that solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication method we will not do. So the questions, the sums, those are based on the cross multiplication method, that we will not do. Other all exercise and all sums we have to do. Exercise 3.6 we have to do. So from chapter 3 only cross multiplication method is removed. Now chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is quadratic equation, and in quadratic equation it is given that situational problem based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. So in chapter number 4 quadratic equation, all questions you have to do only from this exercise 4.3 exercise. These type of questions you will not do, like question number 3, question number 4, question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10, because in these questions the equations has been reduced to make the quadratic equation. So these type of questions will not come. Rest of the exercises you have to do from quadratic equation. Next chapter is arithmetic progression. So from the arithmetic progression, applications in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. So in this arithmetic progression, all these things you have to do. Exercise 5.1 full you have to do. Exercise 5.2 you have to do. Exercise 5.2 except these two questions, question number 19 and 20. These are based on the sum of n terms. So after that this portion has been deleted. So exercise 5.3 you have to do up to question number 14, because after question number 14 all these questions are based on the sum of n terms. So up to question number 14 you have to do in arithmetic progression. So students, let me clear one thing, that in 10th standard please don't leave any topic completely, because sometimes it happens that we think something about that and they can give question based on that. So don't leave any topic completely. In chapter number 6, triangles, from chapter number 6 these two proof has been deleted. First is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So this is in chapter number 6, 6.1 you have to do complete. 6.2 also you have to do complete exercise. Then 6.3 this exercise also you have to complete it, you have to do full. Now on page number 141, this theorem, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, this theorem has been deleted. So this theorem you will cut from here. And this theorem 6.8, this is very important theorem, you have to do it. This is not removed, but converse of this theorem, converse of theorem 6.8, this theorem has been deleted. 6.9, converse of Pythagoras theorem. Based on these two theorems 6.6 and 6.9 the proof will not come and the questions will also not come from chapter number 6. If we will talk about chapter number 7, chapter number 7 is coordinate geometry, and from coordinate geometry area of a triangle has been removed. So let's see 7th chapter, exercise 7.1 full you have to do. Then exercise 7.2, this full exercise you have to do. After this exercise, this is given that area of a triangle, so this portion has been removed, area of triangle, and based on this area of triangle this exercise 7.3 you will not do. This is all about chapter number 7. Now chapter number 8, introduction to trigonometry. So in this chapter they are saying motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. So let's see in chapter number 8, exercise 8.1, the full exercise you have to do. After this exercise, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So you can leave this topic, but I will not suggest that you will leave this topic. This is very much important. So according to this CBSE, as CBSE says, you can leave the sum number 1 from exercise 8.2, but I'm not suggesting that leave it. You should complete this chapter. Next, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This one, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, this topic you can leave, and based on this topic exercise 8.3 you can leave. And this much about chapter 8, 8.4 exercise you have to do complete. Only that question number 3 you can leave from this exercise, but I am suggesting that this chapter you should complete this chapter. So from chapter number 9 is some applications of trigonometry. So no deletion from this chapter, so you have to complete this chapter. This is chapter number 10, circles, and from circles they are saying no deletion. So circle chapter also you have to do complete, no portion has been deleted. Now the construction chapter, chapter number 11, So from construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle, only this has been removed. So which one is that? From exercise 11.1, only first question you have to do. Rest of the questions from 2 to 7, these questions will not come in the exam. Only question number 1 will come, and these examples also, like construct a triangle similar to the triangle, these examples also, these will not come. This portion has been deleted. Exercise 11.2 you have to do complete. Okay, so next chapter is chapter number 12, area related to circles. In area related to circle, chapter number 12, problems on central angle of 120 degree. Only this has been removed. Problems on central angle of 120. So let's see. Exercise 12.1 full you have to complete. Then exercise 12.2, this exercise also full you have to complete. Only from exercise 12.3 one question is there, that is question number 6. This question number 6 will not come, because in this question the central angle is of 120 degree. So this type of sum will not come from chapter number 12. Now chapter number 13, surface area and volume. In this chapter, very important chapter, exercise 13.1 you have to do full. 13.2 exercise you have to do complete fully, no deletion. Then exercise 13.3 you have to do. After 13.3, frustum of a cone, this has been deleted from the syllabus for this session. So based on the frustum of cone, the next exercise, that is exercise 13.4, this exercise we will not do. This is all about chapter number 13. Next is chapter number 14, statistics. So from chapter number 14, step derivation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph has been removed. So all these method, like direct method you have to do, assumed mean method you have to do, but this step derivation method has been removed, so you will not do this. And questions based on step derivation method also will not come. Exercise 14.1 you have to do. 14.2 also you have to do. This also you have to do. One confusion is there among students that less than and more than, these type of sums will not come in the exam. So students, these sums will come based on the cumulative frequency. This sum will come in the exam. Only they are saying exercise 14.3 full, this exercise you have to do. Next to that, exercise 14.3, this one, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. So this will not come. This portion has been deleted, means that graphical representation of cumulative frequency, we no need to do that. As you can see that less than ogive and more than ogive, this type of graphical questions will not come. So exercise 14.4, no need to do exercise 14.4. So next chapter, chapter number 15, probability. So no deletion in that. The full chapter of probability you have to do.